A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Respectful people, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Our today's video is about how Islam is the religion of peace. Brothers and sisters, Islam has always tried to decrease torture, and Islam always does good to even those who disbelieve. Islam is the religion of peace and love. Our Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Whoever kills a muwahhid on the day of judgment, I will punish him." And muwahhid means infidels who live in a Muslim state. So look how Islam is granting the protection to the non-believers, because Islam is the religion of peace and love, not only for Muslims, it is for humanity, it is for all. Nowadays, some people mix our Islam, our religion, with the terrorism, when the reality is that our religion, Islam, is the religion of love and peace. Our Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, once saw a man sharpening the knife and had a goat that was tied up. That man sharpening the knife in front of that goat. Our Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, when saw, he said, our Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, said, if you wanted to sharpen the knife, you should have done it somewhere else. Why you are doing here in front of that goat? He said, killing the goat, killing the animals in a halal way is allowed, but scaring the animals and hurting it is not allowed in Islam. Look, brothers and sisters, at the teaching of Islam, our Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, has also said to not hurt animals. And our Islam tells us to take into account the feelings of the animals. And our Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, said that the hunting a halal bird is allowed, also allowed. But if at the night a bird is sleeping in its nest, so it is haram to hunt that bird. Think that in Islam a bird's sleeping is also important. So how can this religion accept torture and terrorism? Our Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, has also said that you cannot even aim at an animal's face, because it is the creation of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Here I want to tell the people who mix Islam with terrorism that our Islam is the not religion of terrorism. Our Islam is the religion of peace and love. For the sake of Allah, do not take your heart away from Islam. Islam has nothing to do with terrorism. Our Islam doesn't even allow us to aim at animals' face. And Islam has told us, when you go to the graveyard, say, Assalamu alaikum ya ahl al-qubur. Say greeting to those who have passed. So now think, a religion which asks you to greet those who have passed. How can that same religion accept the living to get hurt? My message to you all is that Islam is the religion of peace and love. Islam is the safe, this is the religion in which everyone share their sadness with each other, not cause it for others. May Allah help us all understand the real logic behind this peaceful religion we call Islam. Respected brothers and sisters, this was our first video on the topic Islam is the religion of peace. We request you to help us to spread this message around the world. Please subscribe our channel and share this video so that the reality of the peaceful religion can be reached around the world. May Allah help us. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.